Have you ever wondered why you feel so peaceful and relaxed after spending time in your garden? The connection between gardening and mental health is remarkable. Many find themselves calmer, happier, with gardening serving as a therapeutic escape. Today, we will explore the numerous mental health benefits of gardening. Believe it or not, there's actually a scientific explanation for why gardening makes us feel good. Gardening, like other physical activities, triggers the release of endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals that promote a sense of well-being and happiness. Furthermore, being surrounded by the tranquility of nature helps to lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress and anxiety. This combination of endorphin release and stress reduction makes gardening a potent tool for mental health. So, gardening is not just a hobby, it's a natural mood booster. Now that we know the science behind it, let's dive into the specific mental health benefits of gardening. First and foremost, gardening is a natural stress reliever. The act of planting, nurturing, and watching something grow can provide a calming effect, allowing us to momentarily escape from our daily worries. Additionally, gardening can enhance our focus. It requires attention to detail and constant care, which can help sharpen our concentration skills. Gardening can also contribute to better sleep. The physical exertion of gardening can promote a good night's sleep, while the peaceful environment can help calm the mind. Furthermore, gardening gives us a sense of accomplishment and purpose, which can boost our self-esteem. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why gardening is good for our mental health. Gardening is not just about growing plants, it's about growing a healthier mind. As we've seen, tending to plants can nourish our brains in profound ways. The simple act of gardening releases feel-good chemicals, reduces stress levels, and enhances our mood. It's not just for the green-thumbed among us, but for anyone seeking a serene sanctuary right in their backyard. So why not take a step towards better mental health and start gardening today? Before we go, we have a small request. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Remember, every like and subscribe helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!